What's up guys, welcome back to Board Crypto. Today we have another pre-sale we're going to be checking out, and I think this one has a lot of potential. It is called Starchain. You can see here the current price or the current rate, which is one of their tokens equals $0.56, and the listing rate will be $1. So this has a lot of potential for early investors, and yeah, I mean, this is a really cool way to join projects early pre-sales. Starchain is the first decentralized scientific data storage and validation network, changing the way scientific data is stored and analyzed, starting with astronomy. So this is a really cool project, guys, and they're joining science with decentralization, which is something that I've not seen before, and they are audited by Certic, which is huge in the industry, and it's bullish news for the project. Here we can see a lot of articles. They are pushing obviously for marketing, and they have been featured in a lot of them. So Cointelegraph, Business Insider, and yeah, I mean a lot of media and press outlets. So here we can see Starchain data store reaches major milestone by unifying 500 terabytes of astronomical data, and obviously this is related to astronomy. This is a project related with space, and it's very cool, to be honest, guys, that they are doing this, because it's the first time I've seen a project in Web3 merge decentralization with this sort of astronomical or science perspective of crypto, right? Here we can see the solutions. So they have data store, Starchain AI, and Starchain token. First of all, data store. So data store is a decentralized data repository which unifies scientific data from dozens of different sources to create a universal, accessible, single source of data, changing the way scientific data is stored and shared. Pretty cool that they are kind of a decentralized repository, guys. This can be used by so many people around the globe, and it can add a lot of value. Second of all, you have the AI tool. So Starchain AI, this is a way of interpreting the data, identifying anomalies, errors which might escape traditional analysis. And then you have the token, which is the kind of the center of the whole ecosystem. By incentivizing data contributions by just giving back some of the Starchain tokens, they encourage active participation and foster a network of trusted data sources, which is essential. So here we can see some of the partners: Polygon, University of Leiden in the Netherlands, which is really cool seeing a university here, Filecoin, IPFS, UBS, Microsoft for startups. So pretty cool to see all of these partners here. These are big names. So yeah, definitely nice to see. And here we have the team. So PhD in theoretical astrophysics, pretty crazy. The CEO and former ESA engineer, and then we have the CTO, which is a data Andrzej, which is also a data engineer. So pretty cool team, definitely capable of bringing this project far. And here we can see all the options. So you can become a data contributor and earn tokens. You can become a researcher, and you can streamline your research processes with lightning fast data access and groundbreaking AI analysis tools, which I think is pretty much the most bullish thing that they offer. And you can also become a peer reviewer. You will become kind of a very important piece in the chain, and you'll be able to evaluate the submissions from data contributors and researchers, maintaining high standards and verifying the integrity of the information. This is how the Starchain works, so how the ecosystem works. So first of all, the data is uploaded to data store, then there's AI validation and interpretation, and then there is token rewards for contributors. So this is a way of kind of giving back into the community and making sure that the wheel keeps going on and giving back to the community. So this is a really nice way to create an ecosystem, and I think it can work pretty well. And here we have the roadmap. First of all, the foundation, then the proof of concept, which is the phase we are currently in. So the token pre-sale, developing the testnet prototype of data store, obtaining peer opinions and iterate based on them, develop testnet prototype for Starchain AI, and then we have the beta phase, which will be the next step in the roadmap, obtaining feedback, developing and deploying the beta, and then starting the incentive program for contributions. I skipped this step, which was the data collection. So obviously this is a very important part of the whole project, and this would be the one next to the proof of concept, which is the one we are currently in, and then we go into the beta phase. And lastly, we have the launch and the expansion, which would be the phase that obviously scales everything and makes the early contributors get what they deserve. Tokenomics, really important, guys. 35% allocated for the pre-sale, which is nice. 5% for listings, 7% for team and advisors. Decentralized exchange listings, 10%. Treasury, 14%, which is respectable. And marketing and development, another 14%. So as you can see, guys, pretty good allocation of the tokens, and then obviously 15%, which is going to be reserved for the rewards. So they play a huge role in the tokenomics and in the ecosystem, because this is kind of the way that data contributions are gonna be rewarded. And then obviously an FAQ, which is a must in pre-sales and projects, because you need to answer the most basic questions. And as I always mention, guys, if your question's not here, make sure to ask it in their official channels and it will be answered for sure. Here we have the socials, guys, so if you can join you can check out the LinkedIn, the announcements, Telegram channel, the community chat, the Twitter, and also there's a developer chat on Discord. So that's pretty much it, guys. Starchain is a really cool project. I have never seen this sort of initiative in Web3 in crypto, so I definitely think they have a lot of potential. It's still early. They have only raised like as if it was little, but they have raised 160k out of 860,000 almost. Definitely early, and as I mentioned, the token price is going to be listing at $1 per token, so 1-1 ratio, which is pretty good, and you can understand your profit and yeah, the different options you have in a really simple way. So that's it for Starchain, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this pre-sale. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment something down below, subscribe if you aren't, and I will see you guys in the next crypto video, project review, or whatever may come.
Bro. Be fucking real, man. Come on.